Okay guys, good evening. This is just a quick video about this fan. This specific brand is Kaz USA, model number HYF023W. Honeywell have the same exactly fan under their brand name. This is just a quick video. Well, this one, before we keep going, this one is the one that is with the digital touch buttons. So this is just a quick video to you guys be aware of what you're getting into. This is the base of the motor. This is the bracket for the motor, and I have to say guys, this is garbage. I'm really disappointed. The whole fan assembly rotates in this base, in this shaft, plastic shaft. I don't know the designers what they're thinking about it, but this is pure garbage. This specific fan broke, falling off from the standing position to the ground in hardwood floors and busted the shaft. I don't get it. This is really bad quality stuff, because that shaft, that support there is really thin, so you're holding not too much weight, but the whole rigid of the fan depends on this thing. So to me, I'm sorry guys, this is terrible design. So just to you guys be aware of, just a quick video to let you know what's going on. I will try to get in touch with these guys, with this manufacturer. That is basically, they bought the product from Honeywell and rebranded probably, and see if I can get this whole ensemble. This is a fan that is like a 60 bucks, so it's not pretty cheap. It's not expensive fan, but it's not cheap. You were expecting better design parts. For example, that guy there in that corner, that guy is, all this base here is metal, like have like a plastic base, but the shaft that hold the whole fan assembly is metal, so it's more robust. So once again guys, this is just a quick video. I don't want to go over 3 minutes or nothing about the Honeywell or Kaz, whatever fan you want to call it. This is the Comfort Series HYF023W, because the white color, they have it also in black, and they have another model that comes with this, like 2 manual buttons here, but the speed and the other stuff is the same exactly internals. The only thing that's different is the digital controller. In my personal opinion, I believe that this should be designed a little bit more strong, because this is just electronic waste waiting to happen. Because one that did get busted, there's nothing that you can do about it. I can try to figure it out if I can put a bushing or something inside, but in the other side you don't have too much room to play with either. So it's not too much that you can do, because the oscillator motor goes against this part here. So really I'm not too happy about that design for these guys.